Hi everyone, our WhatsApp status video is playing without sound on the iPhone. Don't worry, in this video I will show you quick and easy ways to fix this issue. Step 1. Check volume and silent mode. First, press the volume up button while playing a WhatsApp status. Also make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode. If the silent mode is on, turn it off. Step 2. Check Bluetooth connection. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth, earbuds or speaker, the sound may be playing there instead. Go to settings, Bluetooth and turn it off to test. Step 3. Restart WhatsApp, close WhatsApp completely and reopen it. This helps fix small glitches that can affect audio playback. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Now restart your iPhone. A simple robot can fix temporary sound issues. Step 5. Update WhatsApp. Go to the App Store and check for WhatsApp updates. An outdated update can cause audio problems in status videos. Step 6. Check app permission. Go to settings, WhatsApp, and make sure permission like microphone are enabled. This helps WhatsApp handle audio properly. And that's it. These steps should fix the WhatsApp status sound problem on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.